Welcome to the gold update. Okay, guys, gold here on the daily. We just have to pay attention to two things. We have the daily uptrend here. It was broken, so we don't need it anymore. Okay, we can adapt it here, but this is just the second point. This was the second. We had the confirmation here, and the price just goes above that, right? On the 4 hour, we backtest that. That was why I keep the trend, because I was hoping the price was going to keep going down. So I'm gonna delete the trend. We don't need it anymore. We have also on the daily on the top resistance candle, untested candle here. We have the wick, we have the body. It can go to both of them or just one. If we stay on the wick, it's probably in failure to go to the top. So we have some untested candles on a 4. We have this one here. We have this one here that we are probably going to test. Okay, we already test the backside here. So we have this one here. This might be a good one because by going there, we are testing the daily and the 4 at the same time. And if we fail to go to the top, the price is probably going to come down maybe to the 4 hour range uptrend here. So this is why this is probably the best 4 hour for me range trend. This 4 hour isn't tested. Okay, we have the bottom of this range here. We have the ladder, right? And this one to the next range is untested. So with that, we created a range trend, and as you can see here, untested candle to the next higher high, right? Higher low, sorry. And the price just bounce here. It's kind of perfect because we also add the 4 hour untested candle here. This was kind of, yeah, it was not tested on a week, so it bounced on a body. It was a really good bounce, and we are probably going to attack the top. We don't have any kind of trend, downtrend actually. Well, we can create one. Let me go to the daily. We can create one. Yeah, I don't like that on a daily because this is almost flat, right? So even if I create a daily downtrend here to this point, yeah, we can easily get a rejection there. But I believe if we are going there, it's either going to test the level. So we probably don't need a trend. We have on a 4 hour. Yeah, we can create a 4 hour downtrend here because we still have this as a top. So let me mark it here. So it's not doable here, right? It was broken there. So yeah, I can have this. It's going to be almost the same as the daily. So yeah, I don't need that. We just need the levels. So we have a good trend here, and if we come down here to the trend, guys, we can easily break the trend. So this is just a range trend, and if we break the trend, we are going to probably break this level. We can still have a support and a bounce on this support, sorry. But yeah, if we are going there, we are probably going to break the trend, and by breaking the trend, we are breaking the levels that created the trend, right? So it's probably just going to the bottom. If we break this trend, it's probably just going to the bottom. And I believe I said everything. 4 hour on the top is everything marked. On the bottom, we have a 4 hour here, 4 hour. This is the creation of this range, this new range actually. So we have a 4 hour untested candle here. We have the backside here. Let me delete this 1 hour. We don't need it anymore, sorry. So I'm gonna mark here the backside and the 4 hour greedier level. And inside this 4 hour trend, we probably have something like this. No, because on 1 hour we break that. Oh, come on. Okay, yeah, on the 1 hour, it's probably a 1 hour trend. Just yeah, that was really good 1 hour trend. I believe it didn't test that. Let me mark this white. Yeah, it did not test. It probably went to a 15 or a 5 inside that, so not really important what it did. Let's try to understand what is going to do, right? Oh, come on. I want this one marked here. Okay. I'm gonna mark the week. So I said everything, guys. Everything that might happen to gold, in my opinion. Thank you so much, and see you guys on the next video.